and think carefully.
Yes, sir.
Electricity is but the movement of electrons,
Yes, sir.
movement of charge,
Yes, sir.
whichever. Now there is a phenomenon called superconductivity,
Yes, sir.
which is conduct of electricity, conduction at very low temperatures,
Yes, sir.
so that there is low resistance and it goes right. That's
Yes,
the entire principle of superconductivity.
Yes, sir.
What if somebody comes and says, I have reached 0 degree K,
Yes, sir.
so I have created the perfect conductor
Yes, sir.
at 0 degree K.
Yes, sir.
So why should you take his claim with a bucket of salt?
Sir, there was a recent case from South Korea, if I can recollect correctly, where a similar claim was made that they have reached superconductivity at.
Superconductivity you can reach.
Yes, sir.
It can happen at minus 170 degrees also.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you reach absolute zero? That is the pertinent question.
Yes, sir.
You
So,
can keep going low and low and low. But you cannot reach zero.
yes,
Just as you can go fast and fast and fast, but you cannot reach.
the speed of light, sir.
So why is it theoretically impossible? That is the question I want you to address.
Sir, based on my understanding of mechanical engineering, the absolute zero temperature is not possible, because at that level entropy would be zero. There would be no matter at all. So that
There would be no matter to nahi kahenge. There
Yes,
would be no energy.
no energy left in the system.
Meaning
No disorder at all. Everything will be stagnant. Kinetic energy will be
the
zero.
electrons will stop
Moving. Yes, sir.
That is the basic
Yes, sir.
definition.
Thank you,
The
sir.
basic understanding. I'm so glad you're one of the 1% who's been able to catch on.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? Although you started off with Korea.
Yes, sir.
Right? Which brings me to the exact. Now, interview is over.